In question 31, the question is asking us to find the percent of a standard normal model. Now, when the question is asking us for the standard normal model, the question will not give us the mean and the standard deviation, because on standard normal model, the mean is always going to be 0, the standard deviation is always going to be 1. So the question 31 is asking us to find what is the z-score. Again, many a time you see a z, your mean is 0, your standard deviation is 1. It's between negative 0.55 and 0.55. So in this case, your mean is 0, your standard deviation is 1, negative 0.55 is over here, positive 0.55 is over there, and the question wants us to find in between these two regions. And since the question is asking for find the percent, so we will be using the normal CDF. So what is the minimum of this shading area? The minimum for this shading area in this case will be the negative 0.55. The maximum is the 0.55 with the mean 0 and the standard deviation of 1. So using your calculator, so we go to second shift, VARS, go to the normal model, normal CDF. The minimum in this case is negative 0.55, the maximum is 0.55, the mean is 0, the standard deviation is 1. So in this case, this is around 41.8%. So for question number 32, they ask the same thing, but this time your z is greater than 0.59, so we have a standard deviation of 1, a mean of 0, and a 0.59 is around here. This is where the shading area is going to be, because they're asking for greater than. So the question is also asking for percent, so again we will use normal CDF in this case. So the minimum of the shading area in this case will be 0.59. The maximum shading area here, now since this goes all the way to the infinity, so in this case we might use a bit bigger number. For example, maybe 10 or 50. Okay, try not to use 3 or 2, because those are very close to the 3 standard deviation. So we try to use a bigger number with a mean of 0 and 1. With your calculator, a normal CDF of that case will give us 0.59, 10, 0, 1. So that answer will be around 27.8%. So your answer in this case will be 27.8%.